Hey y'all, it's Mary and happy Mask Monday, everybody. I hope that you are going to do something today to take care of yourself at least once this week, if not more, if not every day. Take 15 to 30 minutes just for yourself. I wanted to say that I saw a friend that I hadn't seen in a couple of days. All right, Smudge, he's moving everything off. He's such a menace. If y'all could know, if y'all have cats, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I hadn't seen a friend in a couple of days. And then he said to me, did I do something to my hair? And a couple of y'all had asked me that too. I have done nothing to my hair. He thought I colored my hair. So I don't want you to think I'm lying or anything. I didn't do anything to my hair. So I just wonder if maybe I'm getting more whites in my hair, because he pointed to this side, just like was pointed out to me by a couple of you. So I don't know. I've not done anything, I promise. But I just want to point that out, that you're not the only ones thinking that. So I'm gonna put my headband on. I want to show you that first before I put my headband on. Okay, so these are just my little fuzzy cat headbands. I've had this for a long time. I have a white set and a black set, and they're old, and they're from Amazon. I paid $10 or $15 for them way back. And you know, now that was before Temu. Now you can get these things on Temu probably a lot cheaper. Smudge is right here. And I had a couple of eyeshadow palettes right here because I was looking at them. And he keeps wanting to kick them off the table. Anyway, I'm gonna do this mask. So let me get it started and then I will tell you more about it. And I've got a few things. We've got, let's see, I have a winner to announce from the Christmas in July. That was such a fun collaboration, y'all. This is a printed mask, and I could really use some watermelon today. It's been so hot. Sunday was crazy here. Sunday was like a fall day. I mean, not quite really like a fall, you know, somewhere in the north or somewhere, but it was not. It didn't even get into the 90s. I think it was like 81 or 82 was the high. It was very gray and stormy in the afternoon, and humid, very humid, but that's all to be expected. But the temperature, the number, it's usually in the high 80s or close or in the 90s, you know. Hey, this is super cute, watermelon. So watermelon to me is very refreshing. See if I can get this on right. And I'll tell you a little bit about this mask. Okay, hey, that fits pretty good. I'm gonna get my little roller thing here. This mask is a little bit thicker of a paper, and it has some cutouts so you could overlap, which is nice. You can fit it better to your face. I think that fits well. So that's pretty funny. Okay, so this mask I got in a collection of masks. It is, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's Chauve Moire, maybe? Chauve Moire Watermelon Penetrating Mask, it says. Plant extract deep hydration. And it does show the watermelon face. It's not staying on by my nose really well. You know, if I didn't talk, it would be fine. See? So this mask I got in a collection of masks. It was a bunch of different fruits and stuff. And I got it a while ago, and I think it's very possible that I got this from Amazon. It could have been Temu. I don't remember. And I don't remember the other masks, but I know that this was like the last one or so of what I had from that group of masks. So y'all may have gotten this in a giveaway, or one of these brands, but a different. There were, I want to say there were some like tiger, like different animals and different fruit. So that's what I know about that. It does say, provide nourishing moisture to skin, brighten skin, make skin moist and soft, delicate, tender, elastic, and moist. And it shows it shows that on someone's face, but okay, 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it's hard to find that, but 15 to 20 minutes. So normal usage. But you see how this isn't, because it's a little bit thicker paper, it's not clinging to my skin over here. And then when I do that, it mushes up. Anyway, all right, let's get on with it. So what did y'all think of the Macy's different boxes that I showed y'all? And then Miss Jackie Russell, she had one also, and I did see that one on Macy's website for sale. I bought 3, and Jackie showed that one so far. I don't know if she's bought more, if she'll show more, but they did have, I don't know, maybe 6 or 8 of them at the time. Some were better deals than others, you know, they weren't all half price. But anyway, the one she got was really nice too. So go check that out if you haven't seen it. And they were just, you know, it's a nice way to try things. It's a nice, it's sample size products mostly. And then there might be one full size in the package or something like that. I think in my Lippy package there was a full size. Anyway, okay, so that was just a lot of fun. I also showed a Grove haul this past week. I get behind on Grove. I did join this weekend because I really need, y'all, I need to do better for myself. I need to eat better. I need to move better. I need to do better for myself. And I haven't been. I've been working like a maniac. So I eat in frustration, you know, and fast food kind of stuff. Not horrible about fast food. I do, like, I've been bringing sandwiches to work and stuff like that. But I eat too much junk. So Thrive, there's several, Thrive Market is one of them. There's several different ones that are on Instagram all the time. Well, if you click on one of them, then it starts showing you more and more commercials for, you know, ads for that. And I've seen other people get Thrive, and I thought, you know what, they have some product names that I know, and they have some good, more healthy snacks. Let's put it that way, more healthy snacks. So you put in, they give you a quiz, and I don't know how it's going to work. I have my first order coming, so when I get that, I'll show you. And they also sell stuff like Grove Collaborative sells, house cleaning items, that kind of stuff. But I'm very happy with Grove with that. So I don't know that I'll buy that kind of stuff from Thrive. I did join Thrive. You can shop from them and not join. But I did join for $60 for the year. So that's $5. It ends up being $5 a month is what they say. And then I got some protein drinks, and I got some snacks and stuff like that. So we'll see what it looks like. And of course, at the beginning, they give you some discounts. So I don't know if it's something I'll be able to afford in the future. But when I looked at the pricing of the snacks and stuff, I'm like, I felt that they were not overpriced or anything. So, you know, just better for you snacks. And sometimes it's hard for me at the store to pick the better for you snack when the unhealthy snack is right next to it. You know what I mean? So this way, I'm trying to keep myself like out of the store more, and just, if the snacks are here and they're healthier, that I will have to eat them. You know what I mean? And hopefully I'll like them. So I'll let you know when that happens. And then I have my winner for the collaboration was called Christmas in July, and it was Erlene's idea. And we did a round robin. Erlene she was a host, and she sent to me, I sent to Teresa sent to Christine, and Christine sent to Erlene. And so that's what, like a round robin kind of thing. So what we did was Erlene said, did we want to do it? And then we just picked names from a hat, and that's how it turned out. And it was a lot of fun, y'all. And I think y'all enjoyed it too. We had a lot of people, you know, enter the giveaways, and everybody should be announcing theirs pretty soon. I know Erlene will probably announce hers with her Mask Monday today. Christine and Teresa do different things sometimes, so keep a watch on their channel so that you'll see. Sometimes Teresa does a community post, so look for that, and maybe she'll end up doing a video, and we'll show. And actually, Christine may have already done her. She may have already told her winner. But anyway, my winner, and I'll put a picture at the end here so you can see. My winner is Vonda Dover. So Vonda has been a longtime subscriber of mine, and she's a good supporter of all 4 of our channels, I believe. And she is my winner. So thank you all so much for participating. And you know, there'll be more giveaways coming along soon. And so hopefully you keep watching. Now I had a Friday Night Gab. I do Friday Night Gabs every week pretty much. And this past Friday I decided to go live. And I usually do that earlier in the month, but I can't remember why I didn't do it. I wasn't feeling well or something a couple of weeks back. So I did it on Friday. We played trivia, and we had a game you could win on the trivia, and that was a lot of fun. And I did say in that video, in that live, that I remember y'all, I got this flower bomb. This is the Victor and Rolf flower bomb, and this is a full size. Now this does come in like 3 different sizes. This is not the biggest. There's one that's bigger, then there's this size, then there's a smaller one, I believe. Then there's a stick, which I have, and then I have little sample-y kind of things. But this I got on eBay, and as soon as I bought it, I got some message that something happened, and the salesperson was gone off whatever eBay. So I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but I ended up getting it. I showed it to y'all when I got it. The box was a little crushed. It looked authentic. I'm telling y'all, this is authentic. I paid like $28 or $29 for it. And this, I think, is $115 to $130. I'm thinking it's $128, so I could be wrong about that. But it's the authentic real thing. And I love this perfume. Victor and Rolf has several different flower bombs and other perfumes that are very similar to with the name. And I know I have some of them that we've gotten in samples, like from Allure and stuff like that. And they're just lovely. I like all of them. But this one, just the regular, this is the basic flower bomb is my favorite. It's spicy and everything. And I just love it. So I just want to tell y'all that that was real. I did tell you in my Friday Night Gab also. And that's really it, y'all. So I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you do something to take care of yourself today. And you know, I usually don't take my mask off before I'm done, y'all, because this says 15 to 20 minutes. It's been just about 13 minutes on this video. So I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit longer. And usually all I do when I take a mask off is I take the mask off and then I sort of pat in the essence, you know, or if there's a reason I don't like the essence, then I'll wash it off. And you know, I usually pat it in and let it dry. And then depending on what time of day it is, if it's evening time, that's when I usually do my masking. Then I proceed with my skincare. So that is what I will do. And y'all have a wonderful week. You know, I love what Erlene says in her video. She says, tell me all the things. So y'all tell me all the things. What's going on with you? How's life? All that good stuff. Are y'all enjoying the summer? It is very soon. I think just a couple weeks away school is starting here. So yeah, how did that happen? It's still summertime. But anyway, I hope that you're all safe and sound. I hope your air conditioning is working great. And I know that, oh, that's another thing, is the fires. Up north, the fires are very bad. So if you're a praying person, please keep everybody in your prayers with that. And just all kinds of reasons. I pray every day. There's all kinds of reasons to pray. And I pray for y'all. And I love y'all and count your blessings. And so good to see y'all. Bye-bye.